Solana, a high-performance Layer 1 blockchain. Fast transactions, low fees, and native smart contract support. Designed for throughput, Solana targets high speed without heavy Layer 2 scaling. It supports dApps, DeFi, and NFT marketplaces with low transaction costs. High performance means fewer traditional Layer 2 needs. Layer 2 work focuses on interoperability. Proof of history or POH creates a verifiable record of time by hashing events into a sequence. Nodes verify transaction order quickly by checking hashes on the hash tree, rather than replaying full history. The result? Fast, efficient validation with reduced node workload. POH pairs with proof of stake to balance speed, security, and decentralization. Anatoly Yakovenko created the first POH design in 2017 and led Solana's early architecture. He teamed with Raj Gokul, Greg Fitzgerald, and Stephen Ackridge to build Solana Labs in 2018. After development and testing, Solana launched its mainnet in 2020. Today, the Solana ecosystem hosts a range of projects, from DEX to NFT marketplaces and more. DEX like Radium enable on-chain token swaps and liquidity provision. DePIN projects such as Helium reward users for contributing physical infrastructure. Liquid staking protocols like Jito let users stake and receive liquid staking tokens. The ecosystem also includes meme coins and community tokens. NFT marketplaces let users buy and trade Solana-based digital collectibles. Solana has experienced recurring outages, major and partial incidents across several years. Outages ranged from 17-hour downtime in 2021 to shorter outages caused by bot traffic and software bugs. The team responded with upgrades, a quick data transfer protocol, stake-weighted QoS, and local fee markets. Validator client diversity increased with Jito Labs, Firedancer, and SIG, improving resilience and decentralization. Solang compiler compatibility brings Ethereum Solidity developers to Solana without needing Rust. Solana also launched the Saga Web3 phone, a bold step with mixed reception from reviewers. SOL is Solana's native token, used for gas to pay transactions and to interact with smart contracts. Users secure the network by staking SOL or delegating to validators in exchange for rewards. Fast, affordable, and growing. Solana remains a key platform for high-performance Web3 development. Learn more at the Solana Developer Docs. Subscribe for more blockchain deep dives.